How did Douglas Crockford invent JSON? Imagine a world where sharing data between different computer systems is quick, simple, and easy to read. Now, think about how we used to relying on complicated formats like extensible markup language to do this. That was often slow and hard to work with. Douglas Crockford played a big role in changing that. But he did not actually invent JSON from scratch. Instead, he noticed something already happening in the JavaScript language. Developers were using JavaScript object and array literal to send data back and forth. These literal looked like simple text, making data easy to read and write. Crockford saw that this pattern was very useful. Around 2001, while working at a company called State Software, he decided to give this pattern a name. He called it JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON for short. He then created a formal set of rules, or a specification, to describe how JSON should work. This made it easier for others to adopt and use. At that time, most people used extensible markup language for data exchange, but Crockford thought it was too complex and verbose. He wanted something simpler that could work across different systems without much fuss. His work was driven by a need for quick, lightweight data sharing in web applications. Crockford also set up a website to explain and document JSON, helping developers understand how to use it. Over time, JSON became very popular because it was easy to read and write, especially for web interactions and application programming interfaces. Today, when you work with web APIs in Python, you often send and receive JSON data. Python's built-in JSON module makes this process simple. You can turn Python objects into JSON strings and convert JSON strings back into Python objects with just a few lines of code. Crockford's idea of formalizing an existing pattern helped make data handling more straightforward for everyone. His work made web development faster and more efficient, and JSON remains a key part of how we connect systems today.